At 50 years old, most men settle into their routine. They slow down, resigning themselves to a softer body, declining energy, and wrinkles that deepen every year. Then there's David Beckham, defying everything you know about aging. Recently turned 50, he still looks astonishingly like he's 25. The legendary footballer turned global icon walks into rooms and jaws drop. It's not just that he looks good for his age. He looks decades younger, vibrant, lean, athletic. He carries himself with the confidence and energy most men half his age would envy. But here's what's truly shocking. He hasn't turned to surgery, Botox, or expensive gimmicks. Beckham attributes his seemingly ageless appearance to something much simpler. 5 everyday foods he eats consistently, and several key habits he avoids religiously. And later in this video, you'll be stunned when we reveal Beckham's secret nightly ritual, something unusual that completely changed his life after retiring from professional football. Why David Beckham is still dominating life at 50. David Beckham is no ordinary retired athlete. After hanging up his boots, he didn't fade from the spotlight. Instead, he embraced it more fiercely, becoming a global fashion icon, successful entrepreneur, and philanthropist. Staying youthful, energetic, and camera-ready isn't a vanity project for Beckham. It's a necessity. After retirement, Beckham quickly realized he couldn't depend on his athletic past alone. While others his age began slowing down, he decided to reinvent himself physically and mentally. He invested in the most valuable asset he had, his body. But the key to Beckham's ongoing success isn't genetics or sheer luck. It's rooted deeply in daily discipline, smart dietary choices, and consistently wise lifestyle decisions. Choices accessible to anyone willing to follow the path he paved. Beckham's wake-up call, reinventing himself. After 50, most athletes find it challenging to stay fit after retirement. Beckham was no exception. When he stopped training at elite levels, he quickly felt changes in his body he didn't like. The once hyper-disciplined athlete felt sluggish, unfocused, and not himself. It was a turning point that demanded immediate action. Instead of accepting these changes as inevitable, Beckham made crucial adjustments, first mentally, then physically. He realized that if he wanted to continue excelling in business, fashion, and life beyond the pitch, he had to approach aging proactively. It wasn't enough to age gracefully. He had to age strategically and powerfully. 5 anti-aging foods Beckham eats. Daily, food became Beckham's primary anti-aging tool. He meticulously curated his diet to focus on foods known scientifically to slow down aging processes, reduce inflammation, and maintain muscle tone. Number 1. Avocados. Every morning, Beckham starts his day with avocados. They're packed with healthy fats, fiber, and vitamins crucial for maintaining youthful skin, hormonal balance, and mental clarity. Avocados keep his skin elastic and glowing and support cardiovascular health, essential as he ages. Number 2. Oats. Oatmeal became Beckham's go-to breakfast staple after retirement. Oats keep his blood sugar stable and energy levels consistent throughout the day, avoiding the midday crashes most men over 50 experience. Rich in fiber, oats also support digestive health and weight management, allowing Beckham to stay lean and active. Number 3. Blueberries. Considered a superfood, blueberries are a daily snack for Beckham. They're loaded with antioxidants, fighting cellular damage and inflammation. Regular consumption of blueberries directly contributes to Beckham's cognitive sharpness and youthful appearance. Their powerful anti-aging properties make them essential for anyone over 50. Number 4. Salmon and fatty fish. Fatty fish, particularly salmon, is Beckham's primary protein source. Rich in omega-3 fatty acid, salmon helps preserve Beckham's joint health, heart strength, and cognitive abilities. Omega-3s also visibly reduce signs of aging, keeping his skin hydrated and reducing wrinkles naturally. Number 5. Greek yogurt and fermented food. Finally, Beckham maintains his gut health with Greek yogurt and fermented foods like kefir and sauerkraut. Gut health directly influences immunity, inflammation, and mental well-being. Regular consumption helps Beckham maintain lean muscle and consistent energy levels, even at 50. These aren't exotic or expensive foods. They're strategic, smart choices Beckham made to intentionally age younger. Here's the shocking truth most people miss. Beckham's youthful appearance isn't just due to what he eats. It's largely due to what he completely avoids. So ask yourself, Could your daily habits be aging you faster without even realizing it? 3 everyday habits Beckham completely avoid. Beckham realized early that certain seemingly normal habits drastically accelerate aging, and he systematically eliminated them. Number 1. Late night eating. Many people snack late at night without realizing it's aging them faster. Beckham stopped eating at least 3 hours before bedtime, allowing his body to enter a natural fasting state overnight. This practice improved his sleep quality, energy levels, and metabolism significantly. Number 2. Excessive alcohol consumption. While Beckham occasionally enjoys a social drink, he carefully limits alcohol consumption. Alcohol accelerates aging by causing dehydration, inflammation, and disrupting quality sleep. Reducing alcohol has visibly improved Beckham's skin quality and overall vitality. Number 3. Sedentary lifestyle. Even after retiring, Beckham never allowed himself to become sedentary. He incorporates movement into every day, whether through structured exercise, casual cycling, or walks with his family. He understands that inactivity rapidly accelerates aging, physically and mentally. Beyond diet, Beckham's secret to youthful movement and flexibility. After 50, joint health and flexibility become essential. Beckham recognized that maintaining mobility was equally important as maintaining muscle. He integrated daily stretching and mobility routines designed to keep him agile, injury-free, and physically youthful. He spends 20 minutes each morning on yoga-inspired stretches, dynamic movements, and targeted flexibility exercises. It's these routines, done consistently, that keep Beckham physically capable and youthful, able to comfortably handle activities men decades younger struggle with. Beckham's mental game. Mastering stress after 50. For Beckham, managing stress isn't optional, it's critical. Stress rapidly accelerates aging through increased inflammation, poor sleep, and cognitive decline. Beckham mastered mental clarity through meditation, breathwork, and spending quality time with family. He learned to detach from daily pressures, finding clarity and calm even in his hectic schedule. He consistently practices short, daily meditation sessions, which significantly reduce stress hormones, improve sleep quality, and enhanced cognitive sharpness, essential for maintaining youthful energy. Social life and family. Beckham's real fountain of youth. David Beckham places a high value on family and social connection. Strong relationships aren't just emotionally beneficial, they directly impact longevity. Studies show that active social lives reduce risks of cognitive decline, heart disease, and depression. Beckham intentionally prioritizes family and friends, spending quality time nurturing these relationships, and credits his family for keeping him grounded, energetic, and emotionally youthful. Social bonds are his hidden advantage against aging. Beckham's nightly ritual, the overlooked key to staying young. Beckham understands sleep isn't passive, it's actively restorative. Every night he engages in a precise wind-down ritual designed to maximize sleep quality. He turns off screens an hour before bed, dims lights, and reads or meditates. Beckham prioritizes quality sleep as much as diet and exercise. Sleep directly influences hormonal balance, cognitive function, and physical recovery. Improved sleep quality has been Beckham's overlooked weapon, allowing him to maintain extraordinary energy, clarity, and appearance. Shocking reality, the 50-year-old who outperformed 25-year-olds. Recently, Beckham participated in a demanding physical challenge originally intended for athletes half his age. Surprisingly, no one noticed the age difference until afterward. Beckham's consistent choices allowed him to compete effortlessly alongside 25-year-olds, highlighting the real-world impact of his disciplined lifestyle. It wasn't about winning, it was about proving to himself and others that age, when approached intentionally, isn't a limitation. Aging gracefully versus aging powerfully. David Beckham doesn't just age gracefully, he ages intentionally and powerfully. He took charge, recognizing that every choice, big or small, adds up significantly over time. Each daily habit he embraced, waking early, carefully selecting nourishing foods, consciously avoiding harmful ingredients, committing to physical activity, nurturing meaningful relationships, and prioritizing deep, restorative sleep, became building blocks for his extraordinary vitality. Beckham understood that true transformation is never accidental. It's thoughtfully and patiently constructed. He didn't rely on bursts of motivation or temporary inspiration. Instead, he he created lasting discipline through routine and consistency. Ultimately, Beckham's journey illustrates something profound. Aging isn't merely about appearance, it's about energy, resilience, and how vibrant you feel from within. This isn't about replicating Beckham exactly, it's about embracing your own potential, crafting daily habits that enable you to live energetically, vibrantly, and confidently at any age. Now it's your turn. What inspired you most from Beckham's story? Will you integrate his 5 anti-aging foods? Avoid the hidden habits that age you? Start prioritizing sleep or daily stretching. Let us know in the comments below exactly which Beckham-inspired habit you'll adopt today. Remember to subscribe, because getting older doesn't mean declining. It means getting wiser, stronger, and ready for your best years yet. Your age is inevitable, but how you age, that's entirely up to you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.